Hey, good day, ladies and gentlemen. So this is KB here. Okay, so this is how to mark the advanced market structure. Okay, remember there is a video I made on the basic market structure. Use that as the foundational knowledge. Okay, for market structure. So I won't be drawing a lot of diagrams in this video. I'll just show you little examples. Then I will move you to the chart. Okay, so how is the advanced market structure different from the basic market structure? So if you have not watched my video on the basic market structure, go and watch it. Okay, so this is how the advanced market structure moves. In the basic market structure, this is higher high already. Okay, this is higher high in the basic market structure, but in the advanced market structure, this is not higher high. Okay, this is not a higher high yet. Okay, so many people might start saying that this is higher high, this is higher low. No, this is not higher high and this is not higher low. Okay, it is not yet confirmed yet. So when will our higher high be confirmed? Our higher high will be confirmed when one of the lows is taken, which is the nearest low is taken, the nearest pullback is taken, which is this one. If market takes this pullback, okay, it is called inducement. It is called inducement. Okay, sorry. Okay, it is called inducement. So when markets take inducement, okay, when markets take inducement, that means this high has been confirmed. Okay, now that is our higher high. Okay, uh, this is our higher high and not this one. Reason why this is now a higher high is because this one did not take inducement. Okay, this is the high that took inducement. Where is the inducement? The most recent low is the inducement. So market took the inducement, and now what are we expecting? We are expecting the market to move higher now. Okay, something like this. So now that we have this, what do we have here? We have a break of structure. Okay, so market already broke through the previous high. Where's the previous high? This is the previous high. Why is this the previous high? Because it took inducement. Okay, is this a high? Yes or no? No. Why? There is no inducement and market has not taken any inducement yet. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for something like this to happen. Okay, we are waiting for something like this to happen. Inducement taken. Okay, and then move up again. Okay, so we are expecting inducement to be taken again for this high to be confirmed. Okay, inducement. Now let me ask you guys a question. Is this a valid high? Yes or no? If you say yes, you're wrong. If you say no, you're right. Why? Because this is not a valid high. Because there is no inducement for it to take, and it did not take any inducement. So which one is the valid high? This one is the valid high. Why? Because this move, this high, created a move that took the previous low. So this becomes a valid high. So where is our valid high? This is our valid high. Okay, now market broke this high again. Market broke this high again. So therefore we have a break of structure. Okay, we have a new break of structure. Okay, do we have a new high? No, not yet, until market takes inducement. Okay, until market takes what? Takes inducement. So is this our high? Is this a high? No, no, this is not a high. Okay, why? Because market did not take any inducement. So if market goes up, then give us something like this. Is this a high? No, until market takes inducement, which means until market takes the previous low. Okay, so market can keep on going higher. So okay, so where's our recent high? Our recent high is still here. Okay, this is still our recent high. Let me show you. This is still our recent high. Okay, this high has not been confirmed yet. There is no new high here yet until what? Until market takes inducement. So when market takes inducement, we have a new high. Okay, so let us assume market still refused to take inducement and then did something like this. Then we have a new high. Okay, we have a new high. The market might do something like this, then continue back up. Okay, now do we have a new high? Yes. Why? Because this high took inducement. If you check this previous high, okay, if you check this previous high, market broke it, gave us a pullback, broke the pullback, but failed to take the recent pullback. Okay, so it was something like this, then this move, which is from this high, this move took the recent pullback, which is here, and it's called inducement. IDM, it's called inducement. Okay, so what happened here? Let me show you again. Let me show you in this part. Now what I'm trying to say is that without inducement, a high cannot be confirmed. Okay, even if the market is moving this way, this is not a high yet until inducement has been taken. So when inducement is taken, then we have a valid high. Then you expect something like this again. Okay, inducement to be taken. Okay, so that is how market structure is being marked. Okay, so let's go back. So which one is our high here? This is not a high. Okay, this is not a high, this is not our high, and this is not our high, but this is our high. Why? Because inducement was taken. Okay, so this is our high, this is our high, and we are expecting break of structure. Okay, now when market broke this structure, is this a high? No, we are this will only be a high if we have something like this. Okay, inducement taking, the market continue higher. So that is how market structure is being mapped, and it's actually the same like the same thing but the opposite for the bearish market. So let me just show you something on the bearish market. Okay, before we move to live chart. So for the bearish market, we have something like this. Okay, inducement taking. Okay, then structure, lower low. This is now our lower low, and this is now our lower high. Okay, we wait for inducement. Inducement has been taken. Okay, our lower low has been confirmed, then and so on and so forth. Okay, Okay, so this is how it is being marked. Okay, this is how it is being marked. Okay, where is our lower low here? Remember, this is a bearish market, and in a bearish market you are looking for sales because the market is crashing. Okay, so where is our lower low? This is our lower low, this is another lower low, and this is another lower low. Why are they lower low? Because they took inducement. You can see this move, this low took out the previous high, okay, which is this. Inducement. Okay, so when this move from this low went higher and took this inducement, this low was confirmed. Then we got a break of structure here. Okay, then pull back. This is not a valid low. Why? There is no inducement. Market has not taken any inducement yet. Okay, so market went lower and took inducement. When market took inducement, this low is confirmed. Okay, then market gave us a break of structure, pullback. Okay, the market took this pullback. That is also inducement, and you expect market to crash down. So this is it about the advanced market structure. And in a case where there is change of character, this is how change of character works. Okay, so okay, let's say we are expecting a change of character. Okay, so we will only get a change of character if market breaks this this lower high, because that is a strong high and market is not expected to override it. You guys should not understand this. If you're a beginner, you don't understand it now, but maybe later you will understand it as you keep developing in trading. So when market breaks this structure, okay, let me say for example we had one pullback. Okay, this is not a change of character, this is still inducement. But when market breaks this structure, this one, which is the major structure, then it is called change of character. Then you should start looking for what? You should start looking for the bullish pattern, which is uptrend. Okay, this is how market structure is. Okay, so market was bearish, all of a sudden changed bullish. Okay, which is from here. Okay, market change MSS. Okay, then you start getting BOS, which is break of structure, and break of structure. Okay, and multiple break of structures. Okay, this video we have part two, and in the part two we will be analyzing the live chart. Okay, so have a nice day and watch out for the part two.